Hey there, welcome back to our channel Investment Edge. If you're like most individuals, you're constantly seeking ways to enhance your earnings and achieve financial freedom. Well, you're in luck because in today's video, I'm going to reveal 5 powerful methods that can help you multiply your income by 10. Yes, you heard that right, 10 times your current income. It may seem like an audacious goal, but trust me, it's absolutely attainable. So, get ready to unlock the secrets of skyrocketing your income and paving the way to financial success. Method 1. Enhance your skill set. To significantly multiply your income, it is essential to prioritize the enhancement of your skill set. This method involves acquiring and developing valuable skills that are relevant to your industry. By doing so, you not only increase your marketability but also position yourself for higher salaries and promotions. According to the renowned business philosopher Jim Rohn, the connection between skills and income is undeniable. He asserts that skills have the power to exponentially multiply your labor. When seeking to enhance your skill set, it is crucial to focus on 2 key elements: uniqueness and confidence. Cultivating unique skills sets you apart from the competition and makes you more attractive to employers. It is important to identify skills that are in high demand within your industry and invest time and effort in mastering them. Additionally, building confidence in your abilities is essential for career advancement and income growth. Confidence allows you to navigate critical decision-making situations, such as salary negotiations, with success. Being confident in your skills and expertise enables you to command higher compensation and secure better deals. By continuously improving and expanding your skill set, you increase your value in the job market and become indispensable to your employer. The more in-demand skills you possess, the greater your earning potential becomes. Additionally, staying relevant in your field through skill development increases your longevity and resilience in the ever-evolving job market. Ultimately, by focusing on enhancing your skill set, you pave the way for career growth, financial success, and the realization of your income multiplication goals. Method 2. Leverage the time of others. If you find yourself trading your time for money, you are well aware of the value and limited nature of time. To truly maximize your earnings within the constraints of time, it becomes imperative to harness the power of leveraging the time of others. While you may only have 24 hours in a day and limited capacity to handle tasks single-handedly, by enlisting the assistance of others, you can amplify your productivity and income-generating potential. Leveraging the time of others involves strategically bringing individuals into your income-generating endeavors to contribute their time and skills. This could take various forms depending on your specific situation. For instance, if you are an investor navigating the complex world of investments, hiring an experienced fund manager to handle your portfolio can free up your time while still generating profits. By utilizing their expertise and time, you can achieve more substantial returns than you would on your own. Moreover, leveraging the time of others extends beyond simply delegating tasks. It encompasses building and nurturing a team of talented individuals who can contribute their skills and knowledge to your ventures. By assembling a qualified and motivated workforce, you can achieve exponential growth and increased productivity. A well-trained and efficient team can outperform a larger workforce, leading to significant cost savings and enhanced profitability. For example, if you own a business, hiring skilled employees who are proficient in their respective areas can greatly enhance your overall output. By investing in the development and training of your team, you create a positive work environment that attracts top talent and encourages employee loyalty. This, in turn, leads to improved performance, increased customer satisfaction, and ultimately, higher revenue. While leveraging the time of others may require financial investment upfront, the long-term benefits far outweigh the initial costs. By retaining competent and experienced individuals, you save on the expenses associated with recruiting and training new employees. Additionally, a talented workforce contributes to higher quality output, which can attract more customers and drive business growth. Ultimately, by strategically leveraging the time and skills of others, you can significantly increase your income and achieve your financial goals more effectively. Method 3. Identify the vital 20% of your income. To truly multiply your income, it is essential to apply the concept of the vital 20%. This approach is derived from the 80-20 rule, also known as the Pareto principle, which states that 80% of the results are derived from 20% of the inputs. In the context of your income, it becomes crucial to identify the key revenue-generating elements in your business and give them top priority. By focusing on the vital 20% that contributes the most to your income, you can maximize their outputs and optimize your efforts for maximum returns. Identifying the vital 20% requires a thorough analysis of your income sources, business activities, or investment portfolio. You need to identify the core components that generate the majority of your income or have the highest potential for growth. For example, if you own an e-commerce business, it could mean identifying the top-selling products or the most profitable marketing channels. By pinpointing these key aspects, you can allocate more time, resources, and energy towards them, ultimately magnifying their impact on your income. Streamlining your efforts on the vital 20% enables you to achieve greater efficiency and save valuable time. Instead of spreading yourself too thin across various income streams or business activities, you concentrate your efforts on the most significant contributors. This focus allows you to make better decisions, optimize your strategies, and eliminate distractions that may hinder your progress. By narrowing your attention to the vital few, you can channel your resources more effectively and achieve exponential growth. For instance, if you are a freelance graphic designer, identifying the types of projects or clients that bring in the most revenue can help you prioritize and specialize in those areas. By focusing on high-paying projects or industries where your expertise is in demand, you can increase your hourly rates, attract premium clients, and significantly boost your income. This targeted approach allows you to establish yourself as an expert in a specific niche, differentiate yourself from competitors, and command higher prices for your services. In summary, identifying the vital 20% of your income is about identifying the key drivers of your financial success and channeling your efforts towards them. By analyzing your income sources or business activities, you can determine the most significant contributors and prioritize them. Concentrating your resources and energy on these crucial elements leads to increased efficiency, improved decision-making, and ultimately, substantial income growth. Embracing the vital 20% principle empowers you to work smarter, not harder, and achieve remarkable results in your pursuit of multiplying your income. Method 4. Expand your customer base or following. Expanding your customer base or following is a highly effective strategy for multiplying your income. The size of your customer base directly correlates with your sales revenue, making it crucial to focus on both retaining existing customers and attracting new ones. Building strong personal relationships with your clients is a powerful approach to not only maintain your current customer base but also drive its growth. By actively listening to their feedback, promptly responding to their needs, and consistently providing excellent customer service, you can establish trust, loyalty, and repeat business. One way to expand your customer base is by implementing targeted marketing campaigns. By leveraging customer data and analytics, you can identify potential customers who are most likely to be interested in your products or services. Tailoring your marketing messages to resonate with these specific target audiences increases the likelihood of attracting new customers. Utilizing various marketing channels, such as social media platforms, email marketing, search engine optimization, and advertising, allows you to reach a wider audience and generate more leads. Social media platforms, in particular, offer immense opportunities to expand your customer base and reach new markets. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn provide a vast user base where you can showcase your products or services, engage with potential customers, and build brand awareness. By developing a compelling social media strategy, creating valuable content, and actively engaging with your audience, you can attract a larger following and convert them into paying customers. Social media also enables you to leverage user-generated content and word-of-mouth recommendations, which can significantly influence the purchasing decisions of potential customers. Method 5. Focus on the primary goal. Maintaining a steadfast focus on the primary goal is a crucial aspect of multiplying your income. It involves clearly defining and prioritizing your income-related objectives, ensuring that every action you take aligns with and contributes to the ultimate goal of boosting your income. This approach requires a disciplined decision-making process where you constantly evaluate whether a particular task or opportunity will genuinely enhance your income. By doing so, you can allocate your time, energy, and resources effectively towards the most impactful activities. To illustrate this method, let's consider an example of a freelance graphic designer aiming to multiply their income. Their primary goal might be to secure high-paying projects that showcase their skills and expertise. To maintain focus on this goal, they would consistently assess potential projects, clients, or collaborations, filtering out those that do not align with their income objectives. They would invest their time and effort in developing a strong portfolio, networking with potential clients, and staying updated with industry trends and demands. Maintaining focus also entails identifying and mitigating potential risks and challenges that may hinder progress towards your income goal. This could involve anticipating market changes, competition, or economic fluctuations and devising strategies to overcome or minimize their impact. By staying proactive and adaptable, you can navigate challenges effectively and ensure your efforts are consistently directed towards achieving your income objectives. Implementing these two methods requires discipline, strategic thinking, and a clear understanding of your desired financial outcome. By continuously expanding your customer base and staying focused on income-generating activities, you create a solid foundation for substantial income growth. These methods, when combined with the previous ones, provide a comprehensive approach to multiplying your income and achieving your financial objectives. Remember to adapt these strategies to your specific circumstances, industry, and personal goals to maximize their effectiveness. And that's a wrap for today's video on multiplying your income by 10. I hope you found these 5 methods insightful and empowering. Remember, achieving your financial goals is within your reach if you're willing to put in the effort and implement these strategies. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below sharing your thoughts and experiences. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. We're committed to providing you with the best tips, tricks, and advice to help you thrive in your financial journey. Thanks again for watching, and until next time, stay motivated, stay focused, and keep striving for financial greatness. Take care, and I'll catch you in the next video.